Hello, Dr. John Heimke. Thank you for being here today. We're going to talk about full arch dental implants. No more do you even have to consider putting your teeth in a jar if you're going to lose your teeth. Or if you have a denture, no more are you going to have to do this every night. Better solution, have the teeth extracted, at the same time have a full arch implant bridge placed, and then about 90 days later a prototype is fabricated based on a 2D digital smile design, and then we use our oral design smile artist approach to create a beautiful natural smile just for you. So you get a lovely horseshoe zirconia hybrid that is quite robust, strong, easy to maintain. If you would like more information, visit our website, everyonelovesmysmile.com. Dr. John Heimke, Oral Design, Cleveland, 888-255-3588. We'll see you in the office. Thank you. Have a great day.